How to create a system expansion project in Solargraf. A system expansion project allows you to combine the customer's existing solar production, utility tariffs, and new load requirements to build a properly sized expansion that enhances their existing system. Create a new project and set the system type to System Expansion. Next, fill in the current solar tariff used by the homeowner. Then set the new system tariff in most cases. This will stay the same as their existing tariff. If you're designing an expansion for a California NEM customer, set the power export limit to 0. This ensures the new system does not export to the grid and stays compliant with utility rules. Now add the home's total load consumption. You can estimate the total consumption, which represents all home loads, both grid imports and PV self-consumed energy. Or select Upload Usage to load hourly import/export data directly from the utility. Next, click Enter Production Details. For this example, we will select annual production as our input. Next, add the solar size, age, and production, then click Save. This allows Solargraf to accurately combine old and new production in the final proposal. Complete the roof outline and render 3D. Solargraf can detect the outline for the existing PV system, or you can manually draw out the obstruction and label it as a pre-existing PV array. This prevents placing panels over the old system, though it doesn't impact simulation results. You can now make roof design adjustments if necessary. With total home consumption and existing system production preloaded, you can now design your expansion. Add panels to fill the customer's new energy shortfall, and remember, in California, power export limits apply only to the new system production. If export limits restrict production, you will want to add a battery using the Battery Design tool. This allows the home to store excess energy instead of pushing it to the grid. Once your design is complete, head over to the Proposals tab. Here you'll see Solargraf combine the existing system with your new expansion, giving you accurate production, savings, and payback for the entire setup. Make any final adjustments, then generate the proposal for your customer. And that's it. You've successfully created a system expansion project in Solargraf. With this workflow, you can confidently build add-on systems, ensure tariff and export limit compliance, and deliver perfectly sized upgrades every time. Thanks for watching. For more Solargraf training tips, be sure to like and subscribe.